Hello. In today's video on the Sparkybit channel, we will have a look at key customer support KPIs and demonstrate how Salesforce Einstein Bot can enhance your team's performance in achieving and overachieving them. Let's start. Today's businesses stay competitive only when they work on their operational advantage. Shorten service cycles as much as possible, simplify the client's access to the service, and optimize the time going through the funnel. Digitalization helps increase conversion and customer satisfaction because they have to go through fewer steps than if it were manual service. Moreover, customers' needs grow and modify. People demand faster service as the pace of life grows. One of the steps towards digitalization in practice and at scale is implementing AI-based solutions. Salesforce was the pioneer and continues to be a leader in AI adoption. According to Salesforce research, the benefits of AI-powered customer service are significant. AI-powered customer service can increase agent trust and confidence by 75% and first contact resolution by 82%. Now, let's have a look at key customer service metrics in which you can achieve better results thanks to smart automation. First response time. It tracks how long it takes for a customer to get the first reply after sending a message, showing the time they have to wait for assistance. Despite the commonly used metrics you see on the screen, new studies reveal customers prefer instant responses to their inquiries. The longer it takes, the less likely they are to choose the services. Average resolution time and average ticket handling time. A great indicator of the efficiency of your customer service staff is the average time they take to resolve an issue. These metrics put a lot of pressure on customer service teams because keeping the metrics as low as possible is crucial yet challenging. Customer effort score. CES is a single item experience metric that measures how much effort a customer has to invest to get an issue resolved. A request fulfilled, a product purchased, returned, or a question answered. Obviously, the more a customer struggles to receive the service, the lower your revenues will be. Number of interactions per case. This metric shows how well a team can solve a problem on the first try, revealing how effective support executives are in understanding and addressing issues without needing multiple interactions. Self-service usage. Most customers would rather resolve issues on their own than speak to a customer support agent. This is where self-service tools come in handy. It is easy to track the usage of the self-help tools on your website as well as social media. If you find more customers accessing your knowledge base than contacting you by phone or email, consider it a job well done. Ticket volume and tickets solved. Ticket volume measures inquiries, while tickets solved gauge issue resolution efficiency, which is crucial for optimizing team resources and enhancing satisfaction. Now, let's have a look at the practical side of Salesforce Einstein Bot and the exact way it helps optimize the metrics we discussed a few minutes ago. And we have a bonus for all our subscribers. In our next video, we will run a detailed product demonstration, from setup to everyday utilization example. As for today, we go through the imaginary but typical scenario in which a customer has bought our cozy sweater, but unfortunately, it doesn't fit, so they want to either return the product or exchange it for a different size. The customer goes to our website as this has been the channel of purchase, and therefore the key channel of their interaction with us. Obviously, no one wants to make sweater exchange an event of the day, so the customer is happy to save time on independent searching and opts for the online chat. Everything seems simple from the customer's point of view. They describe the issue, add their contact information, and expect this simple request to be fulfilled right away. But this is not that easy for our support agent. They have plenty of customers with their sweaters, pants, shipping, payments, and complaints coming in every second. It requires tons of time and patience to stay friendly while rapidly surfing from one customer's request to another. When the support agent enters the chat with our customer, another round of manual work begins. In Salesforce Service Cloud, lots of information about purchases and cases is stored. However, an agent must review all the interactions and related information personally. So the agent reads all the details from the customer profile, and it is time. Then they come back to the customer to ask additional questions on size, color, shipping, or discount coupon. And it is time too. Then they browse the internal knowledge base for instructions on running such an exchange and return to the customer. And what? Again, it is time. This is the only way they can provide a relevant solution for each individual case. Typically, such a request, including waiting time, can take up to an hour. And that's for a simple inquiry. Imagine or recall how long it takes to resolve a complicated issue that requires expertise from technical specialists. Now, let's see how communication would occur if the website and Service Cloud were connected to the Einstein Bot. Spoiler alert, you will be surprised. The situation is all the same. Our customer wants to exchange a sweater, comes to the website and clicks on the online chat. And what happens next? There is no need to wait for a support agent, as Einstein Bot is immediately present and ready to help. Moreover, the AI technology behind it is advanced enough to be flexible, friendly, and adaptive to individual conversation, which means customers may not even notice they are talking to a bot. So how does it work? To help the customer find an answer, the Einstein Bot automatically analyzes the inquiry, browses the solutions templates, asks additional questions, and provides instant and relevant replies. If the inquiry is too complicated, the bot will reach out to a human specialist for extra help. But this happens rarely, as up to 60% of customers' requests are typical, so the answer variations and conversational capacities of the AI bot can be pre-trained. For the service team, this AI-based assistance reduces and even eliminates the need for manual work, simply saying a client doesn't have to wait, and a support agent can focus on more complicated cases as the AI assistant covers their backs. Once again, a user obtains the relevant information within a few moments instead of long minutes and hours. Considering this local example, there are a few key impacts. First, response time. The Einstein Bot responds instantly and can quickly answer specific questions. An operator managing multiple requests, especially during peak hours, can't compete with a bot that can handle numerous inquiries simultaneously. Average resolution time and average ticket handling time. A trained AI bot can process large amounts of information and provide tailored responses to various topics. A human operator would manually search for information and rely on knowledge bases, as it's impossible to remember everything. Self-service usage. The bot can suggest relevant articles and instructions, giving users a broader understanding of the proposed solution. If adopted and customized properly, Einstein Bot has a proven capacity to cut service operating costs in 5 fundamental parameters. Efficiency. Cuts labor needs by 30%, handling multiple inquiries. Speed. Reduces resolution time by 50%, saving time for all. Accuracy. Lowers errors by 40%, minimizing rectification costs. Flexibility. Adapts to demand, saving up to 20% in operational costs. Training. Requires half the training cost of human operators. So what do you think about Salesforce Einstein Bot adoption for your business and the domain in general? We will be happy to read your thoughts in the comments section. That's all we have for today. We hope you find this video insightful. Like, ring the bell to subscribe, and stay tuned as we are going to post more videos about Salesforce Einstein adoption for cost optimization and advancing customer experience. Have a great day ahead.